Okay, so I am about to flexi rod this hair because the curls have fell out. I don't know how to curl to save my life, and like I know how to curl my real hair, but yeah, no ma'am. So I'm gonna try to flexi rod it so I can get the curls back. Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. I just got done recording this makeup look, so I don't know when it's gonna be up. I wanted to show you all something because I curled my hair. Oh, that needs to be, I mean, that ain't even curled at all. Yeah, but I didn't curl it. I put some curl cream, you know, I did a wash and go. So let me show y'all what I use, and it's from Dollar Tree. So hold on. I am really impressed with this here little curl stuff. So this is from Personal Care from Dollar Tree, and this is their curl enhancing smoothie, and this is compared to the Shea Moisture curling enhancing smoothie. Now that's what I use on my curls. I have tried other things, but I majority of the time I always purchase that the Shea Moisture coconut and hibiscus. I can never feel like I'm saying that word right. I always purchase that. I do have the real thing from Shea Moisture, but I wanted to try this because if I could get a cheaper alternative, I will. Having luck with finding the Shea Moisture curling smoothie at Marshall's and TJ Maxx, so I ain't even tripping about that. But still, if I can, you know, save a few dollars. This is $3 at Dollar Tree, that's fine. So anyways, I tried this for the first time Sunday. This is third day here, so I did it Sunday. I had it all day Monday, and then today for work. This is how I had it, and y'all, it smells exactly like the Shea Moisture. It might be a slight difference. It is a little watery, but it's fine. It did what it needs to do. Like, look at my curls. Look at my curls. The back might be a little dry. Also use the frizz free curl mousse, and I just, you know, mousse is mousse, so I added that. Of course, I use some other things. I use the Mixed Chicks curl activator thing that I love, and then I sprayed my hair with like my curly, I forget, it's right there. I don't know, I don't feel like getting it, but anyways, it's from the beauty supply store. So it's a lot of mixture of different curly products in my hair, but the main thing is this. I went all over my head with this, and then I went in with the Mixed Chicks, and then I sprayed that stuff in my head, and then I did this at the end. I usually like to do like some curling gel, but I didn't have any because I haven't did a wash and go in a long time because my hair been so damaged. But since I cut it, it's fine. And since I blunt cut my hair, my ends, I'm guessing that's why my ends look like that. Like some of them are like straight. So I don't know. I'm just trying to prevent from flat ironing my hair and stuff like that. So yeah, I plan on getting like some protein treatment stuff. So I need to go hair product shopping, but I just wanted to show you guys because I'm pretty sure somebody's going to ask what I do to my hair. So yep, that's what I use from Dollar Tree. I decided to switch my purse out today. I think I'm gonna do a what's in my bag. I'm wearing my Speedy, my dream bag. This is a replica, but I don't care. It feel good to me. But yeah, I had to whip this out because it is fall. So one of my mini fall bags, but I love this bag. So I had to whip this out, but I think I want to do a what's in my bag. So I don't know yet. Got me a pizza from Domino's. I got pepperoni with banana peppers. I wanted to show you guys what I got from the store. I did go to Dollar Tree. I will be doing a Dollar Tree haul. By the way, I still have on my work clothes. That's why I look a little, yeah, don't mind my hair. But yeah, I just got off of work like a few hours ago. But anyways, I wanted to show y'all what I got from the stores. I went to Burlington. I just picked up some socks, but I picked up these joggers and I thought they would be, well, jogging pants. I thought they would be really cute for fall. They're really like wide leg and they're really big. They have like that baggy look kind of, but I love the like zippers on the side. I thought this would be cute with like a white tank top. These were only $9.99, so I got it in a size, I got these in a size large, so I thought these would be cute with, you know, like a mini little cropped, not a tank top, but a crop top. And I found this Juicy Couture bag. I'm pretty sure this is in like black or something. This was $24.99 and it does come with a wallet. It's definitely my style. So, I mean, I wouldn't mind having this in like black or like that brown color, but yep, I thought that was cute. I thought that was cute, so I'm gonna have to find something to wear with that. And I just picked up some Halloween decor. I went to Dollar Tree. My Halloween decor in my room, I usually do like the spider webs on my vanity. I usually do that with the bats. I would do the bats, but I don't feel like dealing with the spider webs this year. I just really don't. So I decided to go another route. I decided to do these like little pumpkins. So I'm gonna have these pumpkins like going across my vanity. Hopefully they sit up there because they look like they're kind of flimsy, so I don't know. I'm gonna see. I got a black tack and then I got an orange and black. From Burlington, I found this little sign. It says a boo and it's $3.99, so this will look cute near my vanity. So I don't know what I'm gonna do exactly yet, but of course we're gonna decorate. At Dollar Tree, I found this sign. It says enter if you dare, and it has the little dangling, you know, stuff at the bottom. But I only picked this up for the top part, of course, and I was gonna cut the bottom part out and probably hang it up right here. So we shall see. also picked up this pumpkin for my coffin shelf. I just wanted a pumpkin inside of there, so I wanted a black velvet pumpkin, but they didn't have any, so I just got this color, which is fine. It's still giving like that fall look. Cute little jack-o'-lantern pillow. I got this from Ross for $9.99. They had two different sizes. They had this one and they had one a little bit smaller than this. At first I was gonna get the small one, but then I seen the bigger one for a few more dollars. The smaller one was $7.99. This was a $9.99, so I figured why not. So I think these are so cute. So yeah, if you're on a hunt for these pillows, I believe Five Below have them, and then I've been seeing them at Ross lately. So in my next vlog, we will be doing some fall stuff. I'm super excited. We will be decorating my room with the little decorations that I have. I got to get some batteries for my lights. I want to find some creepy cloth to put up here. I want to like bake cookies. I'm sorry that this vlog is super short, but I really didn't do much. So yeah, but anyways, I'll see you guys in another video. Make sure you guys check out my recent videos that I uploaded if you missed it. I don't know if you guys are getting notified, but y'all know how YouTube is, so make sure you guys notifications are on. Subscribe if you guys are new here, and I'll talk to you guys later.